Okay, in this short tutorial we're going to look at how images could be represented on a computer when computers only deal with numbers. So to demonstrate this I'm using Excel because it's a good way of showing you. So if you look at my screen, I've got an Excel page, and you'll notice that I've got a letter A in the top left hand corner there. It's very small, we can see that I've zoomed out quite a way, but if I start to zoom in you should be able to start to see that letter A actually is made up of small pixels, so coloured squares in Excel. So if we wanted to put this into any sort of code, for this example I've got purple, but let's pretend it's black. Actually, let me colour it black, that would make much better sense. Let me do that now. And then you can see there of all the squares that it's made up of. There we go, that should be better. Okay, so this first square here on this line is white, so I'm going to represent that with 1. When I go along, the next 3 squares are black, so I'm going to represent that with a 3, and the next square is white, which is 1. Now if I follow that code down, so this time we've got 4 white squares and then only 1 black square. On the next one I have 1 white square and 4 black squares. Now on this next one it doesn't start with a white, it starts with a black, and I'm going to represent this using 0 so that I know that that first square or first pixel is going to be black. The 0 represents the black for me, and I have 1 black square, 3 white and 1 black square. Now you can see that of course that pattern would be repeated because I've got the same one on that line, 1, 3 and 1, and finally on the bottom row we go back to a normal white, so that's 1 white and 4 black. So that could be one way that we could use numbers to represent a black and white image.